أحسن عينه في المغرب لاراتشي.
Yep, yeah, that. He said, man said this is better. I've looked at this water. It's a bit nasty, yeah, but I'm gonna eat it. If I get bad belly, you know what happened. You got a little one pushing his baby. Let's start young, bruv. اوكي ترى بالانجليزي مش العربية. انا عندي شغل. لا انا هدرت مع الناس وقت صورني مش مشكلة. The guy come up to me asking me people don't like to be recorded. I said fair enough. I got permission and I can record. So this is the wholesale market. Huh? No, غير. Nice meeting. Omar, shukran Omar. I just want to let you guys know, yeah, I'm going to show you why you should not come to Larache, yeah? Let's see why. Good morning in Larache. Beautiful little city, full of culture and beauty. About to get the local taxis, the blue local taxi. Oh, my friend. Yo, boss man, yo, back off before I bite my leg. I don't trust this dog still. Sabah al-khair. So, Sabah al-khair means good morning. So today we're going to explore Larache. Before we begin, we're going to have local breakfast. So I just want to show you guys how Larache looks like. Perfect, let's go. Ashad? There you go. Thank you.
Less than 1 second.
No way. Less than what he said? Okay. Oh, sure then. Oh, wow. No, it's less than what he said, yeah. I think it's 40p, 30p. He gave me like 80p. So that's like what, 30p each? So what, we paid 30p each?
No. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. So we spent 30p each year from that big taxi where they take you to different cities.
Bus station.
And then, yeah, bus station, put it that way. And then after that, to go all different parts of Larache, certain locations, you pay 30p wherever you go. So that's pretty good, you know, to be honest with you. The price is really, really good. Down here, this section here, they used to have like a football area, football pitch, and then it turned to like a garden, and now the government took it and they made it into a car park. Man, I love Larache. Right, guys, the structure of these houses are always built up high or wide, open roofs. You see the styles, the way it looks. You see these tiles, mosaic looking type, and also they have like marble floors, just to keep everything nice and cool as this country gets really hot. But yeah, people think I live in a palace and stuff. But man, look at the beauty of this. Just have a look at it. Just have a look. And especially one thing I love about Moroccan houses, you see the sofas? It curves all the way around. You know why? Community. It brings all the family together. One big table, one big plate, multiple plates. So this is how it works. So yeah, guys, I can't wait to show you guys the food. Enjoy the breakfast, and they eat by hand, they eat by fork. However you want to eat, you enjoy yourself, okay? Can you see all the houses in Larache? They're all built upwards, and on the roof is open, so you can actually tilt and peep over the roof and see what's going on. But yeah, so beautiful. They normally have like three floors, 2 to 3 floors. كاينة بلاصة هنا كتبيع شفنج. كاينة. This is why you should not come to Morocco.
Because you're gonna find out that everything's fresh and healthy.
And it's addictive. You come once, you're gonna come twice. And you're gonna come a lot more.
And then you're gonna stay.
You know what I mean? Not in that way.
The different dates.
So yeah, we're exploring the market. They've got all kinds of dates here. You got all vegetables, fruits, everything you're gonna get here. So Sunday market, everything is all open. Selling clothes, all types of stuff. Listen, I need to get that hat, you know. I need to get that hat.
Yeah, that hat's hard.
I'm getting that hat. I want to get that hat. Yeah, I want to walk around with that hat on my head. So you can see people improvising by putting blanket on the ground to sell their clothes, literally to make ends meet out here.
This is it.
So just support the business, but obviously you can haggle, do whatever you like, do whatever you feel like. You don't need to haggle, you can if you want to, but hey. Oh yeah, another thing, check this out. So you get a lot of these vases here. You got the cup, the vase, and water. These are for more like to help the people to hydrate themselves. This is what they do, they help each other, help one another.
That's it.
So it's really strong community here.
Community. Real community.
It's like you go to one of those Western places.
Water fountains.
You get a water fountain. I mean, I'm sure the government's helping them and stuff, but I'm not sure. If they're not, then this is what they're doing for each other, which is pretty good.
You ain't getting no free water in London.
No free water in London, yeah. I know, right?
You ain't getting nothing.
Pure government punch, tap water.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think we should get fruits, you know.
That's
Should we
what
get
I'm
fruits?
saying, we need fruits.
We keep passing it. So he said behind those walls is the wholesale market. They sell it to the people here in front of me. Sell it to the public. And fishes in Larache is the best fish in the whole of Morocco. Is that correct? And sardine. Sardine Larache? The best? Oh my god, look at the melons. We need to start buying some stuff. Oh, up there's the wholesale market. Let's check it out, let's check it out. So this road right here, this long road, this long market is called Jenem Basha. Jenem Basha is the Sunday market. You get practically everything. Right, we're gonna go inside. Right, let's go inside. So this is the wholesale market. Huh? داخل نشوف؟ ادخل. شكرا. It's the wholesale market here. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Okay, they sell everything in bunches. Interesting, interesting. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, people around here get a bit sketchy on me recording, so I have to be really careful. I mean, fair enough. I've seen enough, let's go. اوكي ترى بالانجليزي مش عربية. أنا عندي شغل. أنا عندي شغل. شنو؟ أنا هدرت معه هو قزاق مش مشكل، أنا هدرت معه.
ما تصورش الناس تصورون.
لا أنا هدرت مع الناس هو قال صورني مش مشكل. صافي شكرا. So the guy come up to me asking me people don't like to be recorded. I said fair enough. I got permission and I could record. So now I've got had my camera below me.
You give him code.
Huh?
You give him a code in Arabic. Very job.
No, no, thank you. I'm still in. You know what's crazy?
You freak him out.
You know what's crazy?
Why did you come up to me then?
Huh?
I won't record it.
No, but I don't know because you're
Joey.
Tangerine, yeah, you're Tangerine. Right, let me put my camera to the side. So, he approached me because he advised me, or he tried to tell me off and saying, you know, record people's faces because they don't like it. I said, listen, I've spoken to them already. They gave me permission. I could record, and that's it. But for some reason, my Moroccan came out a lot stronger than I expected.
Freak him out when you talk to him.
Oh, there you go. You got a local ice cream. Helado.
Foreign language. That's why he jumped.
Of course, of course. Oh my days! This is the spot. Oh my god! This is the pancake. They call it harsha.
Yeah, that's right.
No, raghaif. So that's the raghaif. My bad. They call it muslin as well. And this is harsha. So this is all made with semolina, right? Yeah, semolina. So yeah, you got.
You need to get some fresh avocado, which is picked and taken from the fresh avocado fields. You know, the prices of these avocados, you'll be surprised.
Pick today, that one.
It's been picked today.
Yeah, freshly picked, straight from today, straight to the market, ready to be eaten. Nah, I don't think so, because it's not ripe, is it?
It's not ripe, man. Nah, things hard,
so
man.
You gotta wait.
It's hard as rock.
You know, avocado is a powerhouse food. You know, they say it's got anti-aging inside of it as well.
But don't be talking about all the healthy stuff, man. No one wants to know that, right? People want to see the city.
You want to see the city, yeah, but
people want to see the town.
But if you, yeah, but the thing is,
they don't want to hear the food.
Yeah, but you need good health in order to see these cities.
The rest.
Organic.
Yeah,
you need organic. If your body's organic,
But what are you talking about health, man? We're
you
talking
will
about normal
live.
stuff.
You will live to see the world.
No one cares about the healthy
Yes.
shit, man. We're talking about the town.
If their bodies all, they can't even walk for eating bad food. How are they gonna explore Larache? Because you gotta walk a lot.
Okay, look. Oh, no, check this out.
Yeah.
Okay, now I hear you. Oh, look. So check this out. So you can see the tent across the road. Let me zoom in. So tent across the road here. This guy here, he fixed soles of shoes. It says more like a shoe repair.
Yep.
Okay, this is like a modern supermarket.
Modern day, yeah.
Or modern shop.
This is Tesco 1.0.
This
Know
guy
what I mean?
smells nice and fresh.
Smells fresh. I like it. You know.
Everything's nice, neatly packed.
You got.
Right, we managed to collect whatever we can to get our breakfast. We've got the local shop here, and you got this guy. You got all these eggs.
Yep. I just laid them now.
From where?
You know where?
This guy, bro. I'm done. Keep moving. There you go. So this is the local shop. Oh yeah, this is where everyone buys their groceries. واخد دخلي؟ شكرا. نصور نتك ولا؟ ها؟ شو سميتك؟ عمر. شكرا عمر. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. Look at all the shop. He's got everything here. All the convenience shop to sell every bits and bobs. You got the pasta. You got the soap. Literally everything. You know what I'm talking about. Let's not go there. شكرا بزاف. سلام خير. You got a little one pushing his baby.
Yeah.
They start
young.
They start young, bruv.
Yeah.
Young.
Man.
They're pumping young. Look at that.
You ruin their life before starting it.
You what?
You ruin their life before starting it, man.
So what? So this is the butter
Butter, yeah.
that's been handmade.
Yeah.
That's his favorite butter. And this is olive oil right there.
That one, just healthy, but it's double.
What? Double what? Double healthy.
Yeah.
So we've got cheese spread, egg, that, sorted. Oh, this is banging.
It's banging, yeah.
I've never had this before, it's my first time. Yo man, like Jibs. Yo Beanhead, yo big man, bomber clock, what gone?
So as you can see here, we got some goodies here right on the floor right here. We got an old school motor there that probably doesn't work. We've got one of the fastest going bikes in the world right here.
Cheese! Is that what he's saying? Yeah? Is that what's going on?
He's gonna take us to the beach later.
Oh,
Take us to the beach.
هذا هو اللي عندكم بلايا صح.
Oh, is it this
Assalamu
guy, yeah?
alaikum.
Cheese, let's go to see brother.
Assalamu alaikum.
السلام عليكم. لاباس؟ الحمد لله كل شيء لاباس.
هذا هو اللي عندك بلايا.
Okay, we take us beach. Oh, مزيان, شكرا. Perfect.
شوية وعيطها. صافي.
Oh, nice. Okay.
لا دابا نسقنا.
Okay, cheese. We've got a hookup.
Yeah.
Thank you. Local taxi is going to take us directly to the beach. I love going on here.
Tell him what this is right here. We are in the heart of
Larache.
Larache.
سوق الحد. سوق الحد. جنان باشا.
He's got a name.
السوق يبيعوا فيه خضرات.
Chili and olives.
Chili and
olive.
olives.
Yeah, man.
My goodness, look at that. Woo!
They call it olivie. Olivie.
This guy, bruv. Why is it called olivie?
Because it's got olives and chili, so you combine them.
It's waste, man.
Fresh avocado.
Look at that avocado, beautiful. Yeah, there's no designers here, bruv.
Yeah, over there.
What are you looking at? Oh, down there.
Yeah.
Hola.
The sauce of Lancarba.
Okay. Belgian French. Okay. Oh, smell. Yeah, wash it with the water. Have a look at this water. It's a bit nasty, yeah, but I'm gonna eat it.
Bismillah.
If I get bad belly, you know what happened.
How's it?
Oh my god, yeah.
Really nice, yeah?
Taste it.
MashaAllah.
Taste it, brother. Taste it.
Bismillah.
Taste it.
Bismillah.
It's alright still. It's sweet, bruv. You can taste the seed in it as well.
It's got a lot of juices inside of it.
أحسن عنب في المغرب.
Yep, yeah, that. He said, man said this is better. Mejor you see, you hear that? The best grapes with seeds.
حلوة بزاف حلوة.
حلوة, means sweet. Super dulce. Dulce mucho, eso. You got the bakery on the right hand side.
Smell that.
I want to give them some money, but in this moment I can't. It's busy behind me. Look at all that. Should we get one of these?
You want to get some of these?
Yeah, let's get some of these. Yeah.
الرصانة والحلاوة والرطوبة والزيت وأصحاب المليح والزيت والبطيخ عندنا ديال الرصانة.
This is how they sell this stuff.
والمليح
Hey,
والزيت.
let's go, let's go. And photo. Let me show you this as well. This right here. This is where they buy the gas for the cooker. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to come to Larache, definitely come check out the market. You're going to see a lot of madness going on. Salam alaikum. Come check out the market. You get authenticity. You don't get no you might not get tourists. You might get tourists, but majority of the time you won't get no tourists. But please, definitely come check out the place if you want real rawness. If you're that kind of person like me that don't like to go to certain places to see lots of tourists, this is the place to come and check it out. Okay, guys, great. I've got more stuff to show you lot. Keep your eyes open. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until tomorrow, peace.